We're live.
Hi guys, I'm here today. I'm going to show you a very popular wig of ours. This is wig number 309. This is a 18-inch full lace deep body wave with some custom color in the front. It's still really versatile. And you see there's not that much color in the back. This is the 18-inch deep body wave. I'm about to show you what it looks like after we hydrate it. This is kind of what the hair looks like when you play with it and fluff it out. See that my fingers aren't getting caught. I'm not getting tangles. This is great quality hair. How's everybody doing? You know, we're back to work. We have our COVID hours. We're open Wednesday through Saturday from 12 to 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. You must text us to make your appointment. Our text number is 424-258-0657. And that's Wednesday through Saturday, 12 to 5 p.m. So yeah, we're going to cut the lace on this and then hydrate it with our Hydrating Curl Definer and Amplifier. We also have our shampoo and conditioner, which are perfect products to maintain your wig at home. Because if you're maintaining your wig at home, you need some great quality wig products. So we have our full product line available at magichaircompany.com, and they're also available in our Culver City store, which we have open for our limited hours, and we are doing curbside pickup. So just call us when you're here and we will bring out your order to you contactless. So let's get started. Today we're cutting the lace on this. This is, as I said, wig number 309. I'm going to move this out the way right here. This is a really popular 18-inch deep body wave, and I'm going to cut the lace. Let me show you the inside cap construction. We do have this fake scalp right here.
Hi.
We do have a fake scalp right here, so you can change your part and it won't be transparent. So it doesn't matter what's going on. I should have did this on the mannequin. It doesn't matter what your scalp looks like underneath this cap because of this here. And I'll show you once I put this on my hair. We have two combs right here that go above your ear, and then we have a comb that goes right here, that goes right here, and then another comb at the nape here so you can pull the wig up into a ponytail. And then we have an adjustable, removable band here, and then we have some more adjustments that you can make here. So if you purchase a wig from us at magichaircompany.com or come in store and shop with us, we will gladly cut the lace for you. This is the standard lace on all of our wigs right here. It is less dense at the hairline and the knots are pre-bleached. That is standard on all of our wig hairlines, and of course there's baby hair. So let me just show you guys how I cut the lace here. It's very easy. We will gladly do it. There's no additional charge. Definitely check out our website, magichaircompany.com. We are a premium custom wig provider. We have a full store, as you can see over here, full of different type of wigs. We are constantly getting new wigs in and processing them. Follow us on our social media accounts and you'll see all of our new wigs that we have in stock and available. Check out our featured wig section on the website, and that's what you'll see where we have our in-stock units. So everything on the featured wig section on our website is available to ship out in 1 to 3 business days. Let us know if you guys have any questions during this live. And I'm just cutting the lace here, cutting right along the hairline. Now, I've been cutting lace for years, so this is my technique. I know a lot of people have all these different techniques and different things they use, but this is the technique that I use for my wigs. This is what works for me with this lace and cap construction. Because I've also noticed that different laces, you have to cut them different ways, but we will gladly do this for you here in store. We custom make full lace and front lace wigs here. We're located in Culver City, California, and we do custom coloring. So if you need, or if you want custom color, We are the premium hair boutique for you. I've been in business for over 10 years. I've had this store here in Culver City for over 7 years now, and I truly love what I do. We also have our hair care product line that I talked about earlier. If you need to maintain your wig at home, definitely pick up our keratin shampoo and conditioner. Those will hydrate your wigs and bring them back to life. As long as it's, specifically if it's a wig from us, or high quality human hair. So yeah, definitely text us first to make your appointment. We're open Wednesday through Saturday from 12 to 5 p.m. We have a lot of wigs in stock. Most of our in-stock wigs are on our website in the featured wig section. So see this piece of lace? If you can even see it. And we'll just throw that away. And then you see how this is here. I don't know if you guys can even really see that.
That's real good.
And then this is the part here. But let me show you what this looks like on my head, because this is my new wig. And then there's this little piece of lace in the back. Definitely check out our wigs that we have on our website, magichaircompany.com. Definitely check out our wig show that we have every Friday at 3 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. It is a live Instagram live show where we show you guys all of the wigs that we currently have in stock, so you can see what we have out coming by. So once again, this is wig number 309. It's a custom colored deep body wave full lace wig, and I'm going to put it on, show you how natural it looks, and then I'm going to style it with our product line. So this is how simple and easy it is to put on one of our wigs. I'm going to adjust this right here to the second set of hooks here. So you can see right here that you're able to adjust this 1, 2, 3, 4 adjustment hooks there. I'm gonna put it on the second set here. If you're worried about the fit, our wigs have a lot of adjustments that you can make. So I'm just getting it just right. But yeah, there you go. And it's really simple and easy to put on. If you can get a little closer on the hairline there. And it is glueless, so whoop, you know, if I it's nice and secure. Watch as nothing shakes or moves. Everything is still nice and in place. So yeah, I'm going to fluff it out a little bit here, and I'm going to add the product line and show you guys what it looks like. This is the back.
Are you gonna put this on IGTV?
And I'll probably cut a little bit of layers into this next time, but not today. And in this bottle here, I have some water and some of this. This is the perfect product you need to get your curly hair, your wavy hair, your kiki curly, your deep body wave hair. This is what you need to get your curls and your waves nice and, what do the kids say, dipping? This is what you need. And so I shook that up with some water in here. Now I'm going to just spray it through. And pay attention to how easy it is to maintain this hair. And yeah, that's it. So I'm going to just go through everything and do that and watch. And should I face this way or this way?
It doesn't.
What do you guys want to see? I'll face this way for now. But yeah, let me know what you guys want to see. So we have our hair care product line, as you can see here. This is our hydrating curl definer and amplifier. I love this product. because one, I have sensitive skin, so when I'm putting a curly wavy product next to my face, I need it to not break my skin out. And you see, I just brush it through, very easy to maintain. I'm not getting a bunch of strands on my hand. This is high quality hair. It's not going to tangle or shed. Very easy to maintain. Everything you see here is available at magichaircompany.com. Shop with us if you want the best. And make sure you get the ends. Our curl definer and amplifier, let's see, today is the first. We probably only have about I think I only have about 2 cases left. So if you want to get that, don't wait too long because it's almost sold out. But our deep body wave, our curly, our kinky curly, all of our textures are very, very easy to maintain. As you guys see, I'm really just fingering through this just to get it hydrated. So this side is done. And yeah. And then I'll kind of scrunch it up a little bit. And there we go. So one side we have hydrated with the curl definer and amplifier. And then the other side we are about to do next. But it's very easy, very simple. When you have great quality hair and great quality products, you don't have to stress about maintaining your hair, what it's going to look like, none of that. Yeah, we have natural fitting, natural looking wigs. We do custom color. Like I said, shop with us if you want the best. If you're just tuning in, our current COVID hours are Wednesday through Saturday from 12 to 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time by appointment only. Text us first to make your appointment. The text number is 424-258-0657. We just want to make sure that all the appointments are kind of staggered so we don't have too many people in our lovely store here. We do have the space. We have parking right in front of our store that's metered at $125 an hour. And we're almost done here. And then I will show you how I change the part. The easiest way to change the part on curly or wavy hair is to do it while it's wet. And then, let me make sure I really get this part in here hydrated. Yeah, I love this texture. This is one of my favorites. Actually, this is my favorite texture, deep body wave. Okay, so this is wig number 309. We have hydrated the wig, and this is a full lace 18-inch deep body wig with a little pop of custom color. This is what the 18-inch looks like in the back. Should I stand up?
No.
not going to get hair in your hand when you run your fingers through it. Check out my hands here. You see, I literally have one strand right here. That's it. I'm running my fingers through. This is awesome quality hair, see? And let me change the part for you because this is what the part looks like now. And if you want to change the part, simply change the part however you want. And voila. Okay, let me do that again. Let me wet it and then do it. Is that better?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Just gonna just spray it down a little.
I'm just going to wet it a little bit more. Should I part it again?
Mm.
And this is wig number 309. It is glueless, so there's my hairline there, and you just simply place the wig. Right here, you can change the part. I will cut some layers into this, probably tomorrow, but yeah. Check out the hairline, check out the parting. I hydrate it with the Hydrating Curl Definer and Amplifier. Yeah. Let me know how I can assist you guys. I am here. We have lots of wigs in stock. We're getting more wigs in stock every week. We have high quality wigs. We can definitely customize a wig for you. We have full lace, we have front lace, we have 360 lace wigs, we have closures, we have frontals, we have wefted hair. We're located here in Culver City. Our address is 8638 Washington Boulevard, Culver City, California, 90232. Yeah, so, all right guys, let me know how I can further assist you. We will see you Friday, 3 p.m. Pacific Standard Time for our live wig show. See you soon. Thank you for watching. Bye.